Talking about yourself in English is one of the most important skills for every learner. Today, we will practice simple sentences. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Part 1. Your name. My name is Sarah. What is your name? Say it out loud. My name is. Pause. Good job. I am from Brazil. Where are you from? Now you say it. I am from. Pause. Perfect. I live in a big city. The city is very busy. Repeat after me. I live in. Pause. Part 2. Your age and family. I am 25 years old. How old are you? Say your age now. I am years old. Pause. Well done. I have a small family. I have one brother and one sister. Now tell me about your family. I have. Pause. My mother is kind. My father is hardworking. Think about your family. How are they? Pause. Part 3. Your job and studies. I am a student. I study English every day. Are you a student? Say it. I am a. Pause. I work in an office. I start work at 9 o'clock. What about you? I work. Pause. Great. I want to improve my English. It is very important for my job. Say this sentence. I want to improve my English because. Pause. Part 4. Your hobbies and free time. In my free time, I like to read books. What do you like to do? In my free time, I like to. Pause. I also enjoy watching films in English. It helps me learn new words. Do you watch films in English? Pause. I love spending time with my friends. We talk and laugh together. Now say your hobby. I love. Pause. Excellent. Part 5. Your personality. I am a friendly person. I like meeting new people. How about you? I am a person. Pause. Sometimes I am shy, but I am working hard to be more confident. This is honest and real. Repeat it. I am working hard to be. Pause. I am curious. I always want to learn something new. Are you curious? Say it. I am. Pause. Now put it all together. Can you say 5 sentences about yourself? Try it now. Long pause. Well done. You are improving every day. Practice every day. Your English will get better and better. I believe in you. See you in the next lesson. If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to English Avenue. New lessons every week. Thank you for watching.